Good day, students. Today we are going to see about the topic called relative cell referencing and absolute cell referencing. What is relative cell referencing? Relative cell referencing is nothing but when a formula has been copied from one cell to another, the relative references also changes its position according to the rows and columns. So we will see now. So here we have a number of employees, so many number of employees and branches and hours he worked, and we need to find out the base pay. So the rate may be approximately 200, 230, 250, 200, 230 and 250. So if we want to remove the decimals, we can remove the decimals. So decimals also removed. So how to find out the base pay? So rate is 200. How many hours he worked? 18 hours. So the total pay for corner is 3600. So when you use the fill handle, you will be able to find out the value for each and every employee. Now this cell has been called as used by relative cell referencing. So the formula has been copied accordingly. The hours and rate has been multiplied by the Excel program. This is called as relative cell referencing. So now we will move on to absolute cell referencing. So absolute cell referencing is nothing but when we copy it from one formula to another cell, the value should not change. For example, the commission rate is based on the basic pay, so is equal to basic pay into commission rate is 4%. See, I didn't type 4%, I selected the cell called I3, I column row 3, right? So when I press enter, I'll get a value. Commission rate is 144. When I use fill handle, I should get, right. I didn't get because this is based on absolute cell referencing. The cell has to be logged, right? So first cell, first employee, we are given a 4%, that is I3. When you go for second person Steve, the cell has been used as a relative cell referencing. That should be absolute cell referencing. How to log the cell? So by using the formula dollar symbol. So we have to type a dollar symbol before and after the alphabet. So yeah, here I is the alphabet. So column. So we have to use before and after dollar symbol before the alphabet. So now you can use this formula, and using fill handle you will get a value. And gross pay, it's easy, basic pay and commission. So E7 plus F7, you will get a value, use fill handle. Tax, so again you are going to use the absolute cell referencing. Tax is based on gross pay, so is equal to gross pay into tax rate is I4. So as I said already, this cell should be logged by using dollar symbol. Then you'll get a value. This is the tax rate and use fill handle. Net pay, gross pay minus tax. So when you go for using of sum up, you can use sum function, or you can use auto sum. So in the ribbon, home ribbon, you can find the auto sum and ensure that the values has been selected properly and press enter. Or you can use fill handle or copy paste, right? Then we are going to see about average, minimum, maximum. So what is the formula? Average for the employees. So how to find out? The 6 employees total should be added divided by 6. So use the fill handle. Same manner for maximum, MAXI. So from this we can able to find out who is the employer getting maximum salary. Maximum salary is getting by Sophie. So go for using fill handle. And minimum who is the employee is getting very minimum salary 3600 by corner. So use fill handle.